Here we are, Sunday, 16/11, 32 seconds, the year 2022, the 6th month, which is July, or 7th month, which is July, and the 3rd day. And we're fucking with the Subaru again. But we got this custom vise now. See this custom vise? This thing allows me to clamp onto anything. And it fucking turns right there, and over here it swivels. So we can swivel the sucker. Hold on. It swivels 360 fucking degrees. It's just tight. Hold on a second here. I gotta use hands. Jesus Christ. I guess it only really swivels if it's loose. I guess you gotta have it. Ah, there you go. You gotta loosen it up. Anyway, so there you go. Swivels all over the fucking place. So you gotta tighten it up. So anyway, that's that. Well, that fucking sucks. You gotta tighten it up to swivel it, or loosen it up to swivel it. Oh well, that's the way it goes sometimes. No way. So that's that. Then we got our wire brush here. But anyway, we went to the junkyard yesterday and got a caliper. Here's the caliper. And this is their clamp that it goes onto. Fits on there snug. It's a lot tighter than this one, the old one. And here's the old caliper. And it needs seal maintenance. Fucking seals fucking dragging down. So you can see that, but it's been like, it keeps dragging down ever since I've had it. It's been dragging down. I had to rebuild it, put a new seal in it once, but it fucking fucked up again, so fuck it. We'll just get it fucking... And it's fucking noise around the corner and shit like that. I just put it all back together last week. There's last videos, you can see it. And fucking going around the corner, it's fucking grinding. So that's when I took the whole fucking assembly part, threw it back together. But anyway, so we just went to the junkyard, got a caliper from a 96 Subaru. They didn't have no 90s through 94, so 96, 95, they'll fit on. They're pretty much all the same. Probably even 97. 98 is when they went with the new model, started changing every fucking thing. Yeah, so there it is. 85 to... the manual. 85 to 96. So there it is right there. That gives you an idea that a lot of the parts are the same. So anyway, so I'm just gonna wire brush the motherfucker, clean it up a bit, and we're also gonna put another one of these on it. So I'll wire brush this one up a bit too. But I noticed at closer inspection that these things kind of have little grooves in them too, and they need to be turned. But they're somewhat thicker than these ones, because these ones are really fucking grooved. They're really fucking notched in there. So, but that's that. And now that I took off that bracing, this one will actually slide right the fuck off, just like that. So there's the hub. That fucking grease. Hope that's not leaking out of the boot. I don't think it is. I've had cut boots on there for long periods of time with fucking grease fucking spoiling out the motherfuckers. So that's the way it is when you live with no money. You just get going with what you got. So anyway, so we'll clean them up. And then the old one, all I have to change the brake line, just put a vice grip on the line, clamp it off, and then unscrew it here and get the old one off and just screw it back into there. And you have to twist the whole caliper at a time till you get it in there tight, and then tighten it all the way up. So, because the brake line is not gonna twist. Brake line ain't going nowhere. Stationary motherfucker. So, anyway, so cleanup time. Now it's back to the eternal idle again. I'm watching a YouTube live concert, Tony Iommi, Eternal Idol. And no, that does not mean idols are going to go on for fucking ever, unless you want it for you. Fucking American Idol, fucking slave television lifestyle. Fuck that. I'm not saying fuck Tony Iommi. I'm just saying fuck any interpretation that has to do with the word idol in connection to slavery. Fuck that shit. And forever with it. So, later.